Now we are on our last lesson for partitioning line segments. Objective number 3, calculate the midpoint of a line segment. Please take a moment to write this down in your notes. There is an actual midpoint formula that you can use to find the midpoint of a line segment. However, we're not going to use that because it's not provided to you on your formula sheet. So we're simply going to use the formula given to us for partitioning line segments. And that will be this second formula here. All right, let's move on to our example. We're going to find the midpoint of AB. Take a minute to write this down as well as your line segment in ordered pairs. If you can see it, hopefully you can. Press play when you're ready to work through the example. All right, so midpoint is very easy. We see how we're not provided a fraction here. Well, that's because we don't need one. When we think midpoint, we can think middle, okay? And middle would be halfway between each of the points. So the fraction that we're using is 1/2. Now, since we're talking about the line segment AB, that means A is our first line, is our first point, and B is our second point. So let's go ahead and identify those ordered pairs. This is -4, 1. And then this is 4, 3. All right, so since this is our first ordered pair, then this is our x1, y1. This is our second ordered pair, so this is our x2, y2. All right, let's go ahead and write down our formula. So we have x1 plus a over a plus b, x2 minus x1. Not x. y2 minus y1. All right, so let's begin plugging our information in. Our x1 is -4 plus our fraction, which is 1/2. Our x2 is 4 minus x1 is -4. Okay. Y1 is 1 plus 1/2. Y2 is 3 minus 1. I don't know why my parentheses are so ugly when I try to do it this way. Let me fix that. What is that? Minus our Y1, which is 1. There we go. Gotta take my time. Oh, that one's ugly too. Oh, this is looking like some of y'all papers I be trying to grade. Okay. All right, so let's simplify our parentheses. 4 plus 4 is 8. Bring everything else down. 3 minus 1 is 2. Bring everything else down. Okay, half of 8 is 4. Half of 2 is 1. Okay, so -4 plus 4 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our midpoint is 0, 2, right there. Which makes sense because when we look at that, that looks like it's absolutely in the middle of that line segment. So again, our midpoint is 0, 2. Let's move on to our U-try problem. All right, so you guys go ahead and try to find the midpoint of AB. And in case you guys can't see the numbers, I'll go ahead and write down those ordered pairs for you. So that's -5, -4. And this one is -3, 3. Okay, so go ahead and write down this U-try problem and take a minute to try it on your own. Press play when you're done. All right, let's go ahead and see if you got it right. So I'm just going to start right off by plugging everything in. So this is my 1, this is my 2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, and we know we have 1/2. So let's go ahead and plug everything in. Our x1 is -5 plus 1/2, parentheses. x2 is -3 minus x1 is -5. y1 is -4 plus 1/2. y2 is 3 minus y1, which is -4. I don't know if y'all can hear my dog snoring, but she is knocked out right now. Hopefully you can't. Okay, so let's go ahead and simplify. I don't know why I changed colors. Let's go ahead and simplify our parentheses. All right, so 5 or -3 plus 5 is the same as 5 minus 3, which is 2. Bring everything else down. 1/2. All right, and 3 plus 4 is 7. All right, 1/2 of 2 is 1. And 1/2 of 7 is 3.5. Okay, -5 plus 1 is -4. And -4 plus 3.5 is -0.5, or -1/2. So hopefully you guys got that. All right, so let's plot this on our coordinate plane to see if we look okay. So -4, -1/2 is about right there. And yeah, that looks good. It looks in the middle of the line segment. So we have found our midpoints. All right, now it's time for you guys to try your practice. Good luck.